Have you wasted 10 to 20,000 rupees on your application fees but your admission is still dicey? Watch this to save some serious money. Today I am going to help you save some serious money on your application fee. Now I know applying to universities in the USA can get really expensive. I also get it that you are juggling between dream schools, safe schools and everything in between. And even if you are applying to wide range of universities, may it be 4, 5 or even 10, it can get really expensive. But here's the good news. You don't have to pay this fees if you know how to ask for a waiver. I am here to walk you through how to do that and share some amazing universities in the US that has zero application fees plus are very affordable options for international students. And trust me, I have seen many students get fee waiver just by asking for them. It's all about reaching to the admission office in the right way. So here's what works. You have to send a polite and concise email to the admission office. Now, here I am talking about a simple and short paragraph. Mention the program that you are applying for, explain a little bit about your financial situation and then ask for a fee waiver. But keep in mind, you have to keep it simple, straightforward and clear. But you know what? Here's a tip. You do not have to send it to the general admission office. You'll want to include the department you are applying to as well. So let's suppose you're going for biomedical engineering. So you'll have to CC the admin team for the department as well. Just 2 recipients per email. You do not have to spam your email. Trust me, it works better this way. And I have seen countless students get success with this approach. In fact, top tier universities like Ivy Leagues have responded positively to these requests within 24 hours. So yes, even the school with those high competitive rates are going to help you if you ask the right way. Just remember to tailor your email according to your situation. Do not just copy paste someone else's story. Make your email personal. This little bit of effort can save you hundreds of dollars on your application fees. Now, about those free universities that I mentioned earlier. Some of these universities do not only give you free waiver for your application but also have fully funded programs for international students. So you're basically saving on both the ends. No application fees and little to no tuition. Let me share a few names with you. Have you heard of ECHA College? I know a lot of people hasn't, but trust me, it's a great college next to Cornell. The ECHA College offers free application fees for international students and much lower tuition fees as compared to the other Ivy League colleges. Another option is the Webb Institute or the City University of New York. Both of these colleges offer fully funded bachelor degrees, which means you can save a ton on your tuition fees. These colleges may not always be on your radar, but trust me, these can be great options that just make financial sense. So if you are in the middle of your college hunt, take one step at a time. First, you'll have to get your fee waiver sorted out and then jump into the scholarship options. You do not have to overwhelm yourself by looking at the process all at once. This is totally manageable if you break it down. If you found this helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button on more tips to make your application process smoother and cheaper. Share the video with someone who can use this advice and I'll see you in the next one. Oh wait! You can also drop any question you have regarding university shortlisting or finding the best university for yourself. I will help you out with it. Also, do you want help choosing the right institute, want to know the best university for yourself, and are curious about scholarship options? Let's get chatting. Book a free consultation call with us. Link will be in the description and we will help you step by step for free.